Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor Magic 5 Pro versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Honor Magic 5 Pro launched on February 2023 with a price tag of $999. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1099. The Honor Magic 5 Pro dimensions: height 6.41 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight: Honor Magic 6 Pro 219, Honor Magic 6 has Honor Magic 5 219. The build: Honor Magic 5 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobiles come with dual SIM and nano SIM card port. The display type: Honor Magic 5 Pro come with OLED 1 billion color, Honor Magic 6 Pro LTQ OLED 1 billion color display. The screen size: Honor Magic 5 Pro 6.81 inches. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.8 inches. The Honor Magic 5 Pro resolution 1312 by 2848 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 1280 by 2800 pixels. Its mean 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density: Honor Magic 6 Pro 453, Honor Magic 5 Pro 460. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. The screen to body ratio: Honor Magic 5 Pro 91% and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 91.6%. The protection: Honor Magic 5 Pro come with Gorilla Glass and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Jorhino Glass protection. The Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 1800 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 5000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera setup. The Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with triple camera setup: 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide, 50 MP periscope telephoto, and a TOF 3D depth sensor, and it supports 4K 60 FPS video. The Honor Magic 6 Pro also comes with some triple camera setup: the main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide, and 180 MP periscope telephoto, and a TOF 3D depth sensor, and it supports 4K 60 FPS video. Let's talk about the front camera. The Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with dual camera setup: 12 MP and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it supports 4K 30 FPS video. And the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual camera setup: 50 MP and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and 4K 30 FPS video record. The platform: the Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Cortex CPU with Cortex X4, octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU: Honor Magic 5 Pro Adreno 740 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Adreno 750. The Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with Android 13 Magic OS 7.1 operating system, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Android 14 Magic OS 8 operating system. Let's talk about the memory of these mobiles. Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage: Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 256GB for 12GB internal storage, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 256GB for 12GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup: Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 5450 mAh battery and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 5600 mAh battery. The charging: Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 80 watt fast charging and the Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 66 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: Honor Magic 5 Pro comes with 50 watt wireless charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 66 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The common band feature is same, and the result of these devices: Honor Magic 5 Pro got 17 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 26 points.